Hey guys, it's Raven. How you doing today? I have you over here at Moonset and Moonrise phase calendar for Anchorage, Alaska. This is for July. Today's date is the 17th, 2019. Why I have you here is because I want you to take note of what time the moon sets. The moon sets in Anchorage at 5:40 a.m. So it sets in the west at 5:40 a.m. It will rise in Anchorage, Alaska at 11:54 p.m. So what I want to show you is I'm over here at Fort Yukon East, Wednesday, July the 17th, 2019. We're going to start at the beginning of the loop. As you can see, the sun has risen. It is up above. So, the moon rise will happen at 11:54 p.m. at night. Right? Yeah. Or it would be a.m. Yeah. 11:54 p.m. tonight. So, I ask you, what is this object coming up right here? Right there. What is that? Sun's up here. What is this? It's that same object, people. That does not appear to be our moon. You see what I'm saying? See where the sun is? Just want you guys to see that. That must be an object besides our sun, besides our moon. It's something else in rotation. Alright guys, I'm gonna move that forward. So, I'm over here at Bethel Island looking south. What's that? Only catch it in 2 frames. Notice how it moves from left to right. Not really like rising, like the moon. Okay, so in my neck of the woods, the moon rose where I could see it around 7 o'clock. This is early in the morning, looking south. Something is rising, and it not be the moon or our sun. And then it just disappears right there. Check out the weird blue color. And then it goes somewhat gray. So, yeah, what in the world is that? Just want you guys to see that. Moving on. Hey guys, now I've got you over here at Clark's Point South. Same date. This weird object. You guys, it's moving from left to right. I'm looking south. Our moon sits in the west. This thing is sitting in the south. There's the sun up here. So, wow. This thing is big. It's going to have an effect on our planet. And it seems to be showing up consistently in the southeast. I mean, alert, people, alert. Can somebody please tell me what that object is? And I've already shown you the moonrise and the moon set for Anchorage, Alaska, you guys. Our moon rises somewhere in the south, southeast, east, sits in the west, west, northwest. It does not sit in the south. Alrighty, guys. Let me just enlarge that. Okay, guys, moving on. Hey, guys. Excuse me. Now I've got you over here at Golovin Southwest. Same date, July the 17th. And what the heck is that? Oh my God, I'm catching this in a few places, you guys. And check it out how it moves, okay? You see it right there? The sun is already risen, and it looks like, if you look at these buildings down here, there's light shining on this side of the walls. But we're looking southwest. Anyway, moving on here. Watch the item. Did you see that? Watch. It went from left to right, moving horizontal across. See that? It's getting ready to set. Look at that. So I already showed you the moon calendar for Anchorage, Alaska. That is not our moon. And since when does our moon go horizontal or parallel, horizontal with the horizon? I'll get it right in a minute. Since when does that happen? So let's see, let's start that there, end that there. Check this thing out, you guys. I've got it on a short loop, shorten down the loop. You seeing that? It's going across the horizon from left to right. It's setting. And the sun is coming up in the northeast. Wow, you guys, we've got a serious problem. Now I think I know what's affecting the magnetosphere and messing with everything on the ISWA graphs. You seeing that? I know you are. We need to figure out what in the heck that thing is. Alright, guys. Moving on. Okay, guys. I've got you over here at Joint Base Ellendorf Richardson Southwest. Same date. Captured the same object moving across from left to right across the horizon. Not the best shot of it, but there it is. It's setting whatever it is. See it? And our moon does not do that. It'll rise and go over. Okay, it doesn't move from left to right across the horizon. Moving on. Hey you guys, it's Raven. Today is Saturday the 13th, July 2019. I've got you over here at Fort Yukon East. And this is just complete craziness. Okay, let's back that up. The sun has already risen here according to the time. It's up above. So what is that? Right here. Don't try and tell me that's the sun, because it's not, people. That is just complete craziness. Can you see the light above? It's already, the sun is already up. What that is right there, I have no idea. But it disappears. Then it reappears even tinier right there. Let me blow this up a little bit. Let me enlarge this. See it? Watch how this thing moves. And then I don't even know what's going on right there. That's just insane looking. See the light above it? That's not our sun and it's not our moon. So, and this is in the east. Look at that. Sun's up here, little tiny whatever it is, bright object here. Just all kinds of craziness. Yeah, now this one really is a perfect example of how the light, the sun is already way up in here. This object is rising just now. Then it disappears right there in the clouds, I guess. And then it reappears, and it even looks smaller there. I don't even know what's going on there. And there it seems to peek through the clouds as our sun is already way above this object. Because if you think that's the sun, sorry, I think you've got an issue. That is way too tiny. And there's some kind of a red streak I'm catching. It's almost like there's a line in the sky right here. It seems to be almost like a pink or a red. Yeah, and look at the little tiny sun. Teeny tiny. Ah, that's not our sun. So yeah, guys, just wanted to show you that. And like I said, this is Fort Yukon East. And that's really all I have to show you in that loop. As usual, more questions. And it's got a very red hue around it, you guys. See that red hue around the edges of it there? So, yeah. All right, moving on.